Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating the Cronus Zen firmware and running Zen Studio on your PC. This ensures compatibility with Xbox Series X. Once done, connect Zen to the PC via USB-C and allow any driver prompts so the device is recognized. Make sure you have the Xbox controller and a short USB cable ready. You'll switch between PC and console for configuration. This step prevents basic connection errors and prepares you to set the Zen output protocol and profiles without delays. Next, open Zen Studio and set the device output to the Xbox Series X compatible protocol, often shown as X input or Xbox. This tells Zen how to communicate with the console. Then load a game pack or build a custom profile. Map buttons, adjust sensitivity, and add macros where required. Once configured, enable controller pass-through so your controller inputs pass cleanly, and save the profile to the Zen's internal memory. Make sure you eject safely. Unsaved settings will be lost when you unplug. Finally, disconnect the Cronus Zen from your PC and plug it into a front USB port on the Xbox Series X. Connect your controller to the Zen using the USB cable or the supported wireless dongle, then power on the console and test basic inputs and any scripts you loaded. If the controller isn't recognized, make sure the Zen is set to the correct output protocol and that the controller is paired. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, update firmware again and reinstall Zen Studio drivers on PC. This fixes most connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.